Hi, this is our 20-inch Fat E trike. Let me show you details. With the folding frame and the suspension, big saddle with the back holder here, which makes it more comfortable. And this is the 500 watts motor. Front LED light. Show you details. Rear wheel also 20-inch plus 4-inch wide tires, and we have dual batteries, 13 amp-hour, another 13 amp-hour, and we have the rear light with direction left and right, and we have the derailleurs, 7 gears derailleur, the bigger rack, and we have put the bags here. We have 2 disc brakes on the rear wheels. Another side. Front handlebar with hydraulic disc brakes. This is a brake holder. When we park, we just push this one, and the brake will be held, and the trike will be no moving. Another side on the brake here too. When we brake and push, it will be in. Or when we release it, we just brake, and it will be turned out. Then it can go. Then we have the LCD display. This is to turn on and off the battery to give more different speeds. We have 5 different speeds. When we reduce to 0, the throttle and the pedal system will be not working. It will be just like a regular tricycle. And we turn to one level speed, second, third, 4, 5. There are 5 different speeds. And we have the light to turn on the light here, and we have the horn, and the left and the right, the rear brake. And this is for the when we turn left, the light here, it will be shining like this one. And we turn right side, it will be shining too, this one. And then when we brake, the light will be on. Let me show you. Turn on the light. Light on. Or when we brake, it's more bright. Okay, thank you.